time to paint the background for these planets now. So I'm just gonna use water and do kind of one section at a time. So I'm just gonna paint close to the edge of the planets without touching them as best I can. It's probably fine if you touch them a little bit, but these lighter planets, the dark background will really cover up the planet and kind of go over the edge if we put the water over the edge. So I'm just gonna try and get close because I want the background color to spread. And I'm gonna think about how these planets have dark edges in some places. So I'm gonna put a lighter background color for my universe when I get close here. Like maybe I'll choose a blue instead of black for right in this area. So now with a medium-sized brush, I'm gonna get some black. And I'm just gonna let it spread. You know, a big brush would work just fine probably for these bigger areas, but then the small brush will be necessary for right close to the planet. So I'm just gonna use the small brush the whole time. I'm gonna try and stay pretty dark when I'm close to these lighter, brighter planets, and then choose probably blue or purple as I get closer to the dark planets. Or I don't know, see where this black is watered down here a little bit more and it's a little more gray? It still lets this planet show just fine, so I'll just try some things out here. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of blue in, and I'm also gonna, real quick, extend this water through these planets so that this paint, this black paint, doesn't dry and create hard lines right there. So I'm gonna help them to blend and stay wet for now. And just buys a little bit more time to be able to keep working. So this planet got a little misshapen as it dried, it looks like. I probably had a big puddle on the edge and then the puddle dried. So I'm gonna use a dark color now and find that edge again and cover up that extra kind of bloop. I think it's cool how black paint can really thin out and be really light, but also with a mostly dry brush, I can get a really dark color. Makes some good contrast, I think. Okay. I want to put some blue in here now. Get this blue wet and this one and this purpley blue.